Joseph Piccolacampo. He's a big inspiration to me. His passion, his technology, the automation side, it was infectious, and he definitely affected me. And you talk to multiple people in this organization, they'll tell you the same. There's very similar stories. My name is Arustamyan, the Control Systems Engineering Manager here at Joseph Machine Company. I've been with the company for 15 years. I lead the Control Systems Engineering team. Just to kind of give a general overview of our legacy systems, we've worked with a large variety of control systems over the years, with a lot of standalone drives, integrated drives, DC link drives. When we started pursuing a new system internally, we had a good idea of exactly what we wanted to do. When we found the AX8000 system, we found that it solved a lot of our problems. So the drive platform allowed for labor savings from the branch circuit protection wiring and the DC link capabilities. So as before, we would provide individual branch circuits for each servo drive or amplifier, a lot of labor, and also you don't necessarily know the bus utilization of each drive in a complete system since they are all independent. Putting everything on one DC link and using software that Beckhoff provides from a motion designer standpoint, we can actually look at the utilization of the entire DC bus on the servo rack. Putting in machine duty cycle and each axis's payload, we can see if our power is adequate, if our braking capabilities are adequate, and we can size the system to have minimum real estate in our electrical enclosures, minimum thermal requirements, so smaller air conditioners, smaller electrical enclosures, less wiring, just a lot of benefits across the board with that drive system. It's a relationship. They're here on a weekly, sometimes daily basis. Having a team here to support us and help us through it, it's always a pleasure.